For Wall Street firm Drexel Hamilton, Veterans Day doesn't just come once a year.
The reason we started the firm was I'm a disabled Vietnam veteran, and I never forgot the people that helped me when I came back from Vietnam. It was a really tumultuous time. And what we do here is we try to match a veteran of Wall Street up with a veteran from combat.
This room houses Drexel Hamilton's capital markets operation. Of the 8 team members here, 7 are military veterans, and 5 of them are service-disabled veterans. What exactly has been the most difficult part of it, going from your Navy career to one on Wall Street?
The most difficult thing was actually finding the opportunity.
7-tour veteran Captain John Martinko noticed as well.
Nobody came to Jalalabad, Afghanistan to campus recruit me.
But he was convinced he had the skills it took.
A lot of our vets coming home from overseas have had to been in these situations where things haven't gone correctly, just like a trading floor. Your trade might be going upside down on you, but the ability to manage that risk and be profitable.
For Purple Heart recipient Jerry Majetic, skills weren't the problem.
Burned over half my body. I was shot 4 times, broke my back. So I was in the hospital for almost 2 years. Both of my ears are actually prosthetic, and I didn't have them yet. So there's an intimidation factor. And I don't blame anybody for that. It's human nature. But because of that, I couldn't find employment. And that's when I came across Drexel Hamilton, LD, Lawrence Dahl. He gave me a new life. You got to move forward. When some holds you down, you got to stand up and keep going. Now my son's following. He said he wants to follow in my footsteps by enlisting in the Marine Corps. I said, that's great. Follow my footsteps. Just not all of them. Watch out for that last one.
An example for a son, an example for a business, an example for us all. Now, Jerry Majetic's story is just one of the many, many powerful, interesting ones over at Drexel Hamilton. And this is a company filled with people with their own war stories. But it's important to point out that for many of these service-disabled veterans, these kinds of jobs and this kind of training prepares them for life after their military service. And, of course, we all have to thank them for that, Tyler.